Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's get artsy. Draw a bright orange carrot and add some green leaves. What colors will you use? Make your carrot look happy and healthy.
Cool. Fantastic. Whoa.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.